enjoying a view. With little bird. Hello, 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 and welcome to my little circle. Zina here. Today we're making a multi-use fun little sculpture. Enjoy! So this is really annoying. Yep, this is a lot better. I didn't know which blade to use, so I thought to myself what I could do. What a wonderful world this is. I don't know what I want to do with this piece. It's gonna come out beautiful. Hey, hey, hey! Roughing is over. No more power tools. I'm sad. Oh no. Anyway, sometimes in life you get hurt. But then again, I got an elephant band-aid. That about does it. Now on to the fine details. See? That's why I'm building this. It's really late, but modeling is over. On to sanding. Sanding is over. Time for the little bird. The bird is finished. Now, our little hobbit, I haven't talked about the hobbit yet, but you'll see, has a little friend. It's finished. Wasn't this a fun little project? It's also a camera stand.